You know, when Kevin Hart said we don't look good as a unit, he was right.
Daddy, put the window shield down.
Only person missing is Zion. I saw Zion in a vision. And that is because he don't want to be here. He does not want to go. But I'm going to make him go to, walk to, what is it called?
I passed my
Sunday morning?
It's so late.
Yeah. So,
Just, you have 2 more chances left.
I guess he figured I'm busy Monday to Friday. I'm at school. Saturday, leave me alone.
How do you know?
Yeah. So we're going to breakfast.
I don't want to be 7. People are mean to me when I'm
Because
7.
I want some corned beef
My
hash.
cousin's name's 7.
What the queen wants, the queen gets. That's why I love my husband. Yeah, that part.
And she's 5 years old.
That part. Look.
Bro, why is he hitting his father?
You do that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, this will not be a long day.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
Kimara stayed for 2 days.
That's good for Kimara. I'm happy for Kimara. But you, on the other hand, I want some corned beef hash with some over easy eggs with some potatoes and some toast and some jelly. I already know what I'm ordering.
Mama.
Yeah. What you eating, Royce?
I don't know yet. I'm just going to look at the menu. Are we here yet?
New York City. Look at the city bus. It's long as hell. So we're going to Orion.
No, you don't have to make a joke. Make a funny face.
Oh, he could have went straight and just left you right on the corner.
Thank you.
You don't make sure they from New York, babe.
Hey!
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're going in. They gotta look at the menu. Not us. It's mad stuff on this menu. I know that they have hazelnut creamer, but the stores don't be having it. They need to get with it. Can you pass me 2 equals, please? 2 equals? Let's put this in the center because I just see something going left. There's too many drinks on here. Can you pass me 2 equals?
I did. Sure I did.
Oh. Thank you. What happened, boo-boo? Oh, okay. If this diner was right up the block from us, I would come all the time.
I saw Rockstar.
Yeah, I saw it. It was black, right? A Rasta dog. Started with me corned beef hash with 2 eggs over easy. Not too, yeah, but not too runny.
Over medium.
Yeah, over medium. Okay. With home fries and toast. And she wants Belgian waffles with 2 eggs. How you want them? Scrambled, fried, scrambled with turkey sausage. She wants turkey bacon well done with pancakes.
Pancakes, turkey bacon, well done. All right.
He wants pancakes, sausages, and turkey bacon.
Pancakes, sausages, and turkey bacon?
Yeah.
You got it. The chicken waffle thing that they got here? All right. Why not? Got everybody, right?
Yeah. Okay. I got the corned beef hash. Yeah. Me 3. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Take all these out of your way.
Thank you. Thank you. I see my corned beef under here.
I hope it's not pork.
You need help? Look. You need help?
Maybe a little.
Well fed and full now. Oh, the food was good.
Rich now run back like that, rich.
Now they going to GameStop to give in their old games. What happened? So, what? Dante, don't come with your weirdo stuff, okay? What is that? There's no such thing as bad luck. He split it and then come back and go around. If you done split it already, that means you got the bad luck already. You can't unbad luck yourself. Like, what? Oh, let me unsplit the pole. It's like, what? Move from here with foolishness. I was saying before his split pole business to try and get some money for these these games. If it work out, just bring me some money.
No. Now who's faster?
Why are you touching that? Yeah.
I'm gonna put this in the car.
You just want to do something. Let me see. Watch it. Watch it. Good. You just want to...
No! I'll give you
Back home.
Turn back! Before...
So I was going to a place called Sunday Morning, but it was closed.
Go back in!
But I'm going tomorrow. This is a viral place. It is a TikTok viral place.
What's it called?
Sunday Morning. I'm on the phone with my mama. Say hi, ma, to the vlog. Oh my, spread a little kindness. She was at church all day today. Say something kind to my, the Sade Boo family.
Repent and give your life to Jesus. Before so.
Stay encouraged, guys. I know it seems like the times are so hard now. Keep God first. All you had to do is say hi. They gonna be like, we don't like her mother. She stink.
I don't care.
So it's called Cozy Sunday. Sunday mornings. So since they was closed, I went to Carvel again. This was a strawberry something. A strawberry ice cream with some I don't know. Strawberry ice cream. And I got a Cinnabon.
You did not need a Cinnabon and a strawberry whatever that is from Carvel. You did not need those. You could have just got one.
Ma, I did not. I got this and I just was eating this. I didn't eat the Cinnabon. I said I'm going to save my Cinnabon for later and just put a little ice cream on top of it. I didn't eat them. Why she mad? Look at my Cinnabon. Can somebody give me a fork?
Okay.
So I want to put a little ice cream. Let me try it without the ice cream first. I got it with 2 different types of caramel on here. Let me see.
You could do that?
Let me let you go so you can do your vlog.
No, stay on the phone. Let me try.
God, can you back up?
Why is everybody hating?
Oh, weird. Gosh, she weird.
You don't have voices? She all in my camera. Back up.
Love you guys. Oh my God, girl.
That's bussin'.
We're playing karate.
That is bussin'. Ma, that's bussin'.
Alright.
Show me the evidence. What did you do yesterday?
I was in here.
Today was a long day. You would.
Let me see your hand.
Where's Zion?
I need that.
Zion's in his room.
I need that.
Mmm. Mmm.
I guess he's used to having the door off the hinge, huh?
Yeah, he's used to it now. He be asking me to put it back.
I'm not
Nope.
trying to tell you to do it. Do it.
Today, Greg and them took the games back to GameStop. When you take the
Let's do extra.
when you take the games back, you get either store credit or they give you the cash.
Do it.
And so he gave some cash. He gave Zion, I think, $40. So I went to the store for Zion. I bought a 6-pack of Sprite. I bought 2 big bags of sour cream and onion chips. I bought 2 big loaves of bread. I bought 10 Linden chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, I know my son, that's what he likes to eat every day.
Also, he's back there in his glory then.
Yep.
Mommy.
Tell my mom, you the best mom. See, your kids use you. I'm the best mom because I bought you everything that you like.
Oh no, do not fight me.
Children's love is based on what you do for them when they're young. They don't understand the value of their parents until you're older.
I'm sorry.
So, yeah.
Put me in jail. Just put
That's why you hear some kids with their smart mouths say that's what you're supposed to do. No, it's not what I'm supposed to do. Because I can feed you what I want to feed you. I don't have to give you what you desire. But yeah. I'm thirsty.
Ice cream always make you thirsty.
All the time. Oh, my ears itching. Today was a long day. Thank you for watching. My son is in the back room like he's about to teleport through the Oculus. I don't know what's happening. Like up this video, share this video. Turn on your post notification so when I post, you could pull up. You could pull up. Leave a comment because I do respond. And anybody out there who's watching who may have a restaurant or there's a restaurant you want me to review, put it down in the comment section because I will. Y'all gotta catch me before I get on my diet stuff. And and remember, be kind. It costs you nothing. It's free. So be kind and be nice. Love you guys.